Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen without spending a fortune, you're in for a treat. Today, we're reviewing one of the best kitchen pantry cabinets under $100 on Amazon, the Gizoon 64-inch tall storage cabinet. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a budget-friendly product review like this one. Best kitchen pantry cabinet under $100 Gizoon 64-inch tall storage cabinet review. Looking to upgrade your kitchen storage without breaking the bank? The Gizoon 64-inch kitchen pantry cabinet is the best kitchen pantry cabinet under $100 you'll find on Amazon right now. Not only is it affordable, but it's also packed with premium features that rival high-end cabinets, all while adding a touch of elegance to your home. Box: spacious storage for a clutter-free kitchen. This tall, freestanding cabinet is a game-changer for storage lovers. It comes with 2 double-door cabinets and 10 compartments, providing ample space for storing spices, canned food, kitchenware, or even small appliances. On top of that, 4 side door racks are perfect for wine bottles, oils, or condiments, keeping your daily essentials within easy reach. You will find a link to the product in the description. And if you're enjoying the content so far, please subscribe to the channel for more smart home solutions. Whether you're organizing your kitchen, dining room, or even your bathroom, this storage cabinet offers a practical solution, and it does so in style. Adjustable design to fit your lifestyle. Not all storage needs are the same, and Gizoon understands that. With 7 shelves in total, 3 of which are adjustable, this cabinet allows you to customize the layout to store items of varying sizes. Need to fit a tall cereal box or stack your favorite cookbooks? No problem. It even includes 2 anti-tip devices, keeping your family safe and your cabinet stable, especially if you have kids or pets. You'll find the link to the product in the description, and yes, please subscribe to the channel if you're finding this helpful. Built to last, elegant and durable. Crafted from premium MDF and acrylic glass, this kitchen pantry cabinet is both sturdy and sleek. The smooth white paint finish resists scratches and is super easy to clean, making it ideal for everyday use. Its raised legs keeps it off the ground, protecting it from spills and making floor cleaning a breeze. The dimensions 15.8 inch D by 23.6 inch wide by 63.8 inches high offers generous storage without taking up too much floor space, perfect for apartments or smaller homes. Multifunctional and modern look. While it's designed to the kitchen pantry cabinet under $100, this unit is surprisingly versatile. Use it as a bookshelf, display unit, or bathroom storage cabinet. Its modern, clean design blends with all types of decor, from minimalist to farmhouse chic. Easy to assemble, no frustration required. We all dread complicated setups, but this product changes the game. Parts are labeled and easy to assemble with easy-to-follow instruction manual. Each part is numbered and each screw coded, so you'll always know what goes where. Why choose this kitchen pantry cabinet under $100 over the rest? There are plenty of options out there, but very few combine affordability, durability, spacious storage, and modern style like the Gizoon 64-inch cabinet. Unlike other cheap alternatives that wobble, scratch, or lack flexibility, this one is built with quality in mind and backed by hundreds of positive reviews. So if you're on a budget, but still want a premium quality kitchen pantry cabinet under $100, this is the deal to grab. Don't wait. Your organized kitchen dream is just a click away. That's it for today's review, folks. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, share this video with friends, and of course, please subscribe to the channel for more amazing budget-friendly home finds. Check the description for the product link and let us know in the comments how you use this cabinet in your space.